Don't you just love pie? The warm, crunchy crust that your mouth bites into? All that buttery goodness flowing with the delicious creamy centre? The salty, rich meat sauce that covers your face and cries to be picked up by desperate fingers. But hold up. Today, we aren't talking about that pie. We're talking about maths pie. Think circles, areas, perimeters, volume, and shapes. This video will explore the amazingness of that tiny little symbol and show that pi is merely a random number, but an ingenious concept extremely important in our world. Beware, audience, by the end of this video, you could die for your love of pi.
What is pi? Pi is an irrational number. It is the circumference of a circle divided by its diameter. Pi can be used to calculate circular objects' volume, area, and circumference.
Pi has been known for almost 4,000 years. It was firstly discovered by Archimedes, arguably one of the greatest mathematicians of all time. Archimedes did this by using the Pythagorean theorem to find the areas of two regular polygons. By using this method, Archimedes knew that he had not found the exact value of pi, but he had approximated it to between 3 and 1/7 and 3 and 10/71.
The volume of a cylinder is given by pi r squared times height. The surface area of a cylinder is given by 2 pi r times height plus 2 pi r squared. Keeping in mind the formula for volume. The volume of this cylinder with a radius of 5 centimeters and the height of 20 centimeters is 1570.8 centimeters cubed. Keeping in mind the surface area formula, we can split it into two parts. First 2 pi r times height, which equals 628.32 centimeters squared, and then 2 pi r squared, which equals 157.08 centimeters squared. Add the two answers together and we get 785.4 centimeters squared.
Another important application of pi is in the production of engineering. Almost every aircraft made nowadays uses pi in its production. Pi can be used to calculate the capacity and circumference of a plane's fuselage. This is important as it helps calculate how many people that plane can hold and the overall weight it can take. Pi is also used to calculate the volume of raindrops, which does seem quite irrelevant to anything, but it is certainly relevant in the Australian outback. Being able to calculate the volume of a raindrop through pi, extremely accurate calculations of container volumes and sizes can be made to capture maximum amounts of water.
What is pi used for? Pi is used for GPS. Pi is used to find your position on the Earth's surface. Calculations involving the Earth's surface area and circumference are used to find you. Satellites also orbit in a circular motion.
Pi is a terrific example of mass is more than numbers because it is used so much in everyday life. In fact, it is an essential part of modern day life. It enabled many modern day inventions such as planes and will be used in the future for many inventions still to come.